sorry, I'm talking. Hey, welcome to my crib. Follow me. Shut the door behind you. So today I'm gonna be doing a room tour. Well, first we have my wall of art. This here is one of the first paintings I did here. I like to paint bodies because I feel like that's what art is, women's bodies. And then I have this painting by Kevin. He took this quote from somewhere online, and I guess he thought it described our friendship or what he thought of me. So he wrote it out and then painted it when I had us do a sip and paint one day, and I really appreciate it. Thank you, Kevin. And then I have this painting here. My roommate Carrie likes to give us paintings on our birthdays, so she made this painting for me. I like bodies, so she drew a body that had all these different colors and stuff, and had added a mirror to it, so I just feel like I could just connect my face to it. And then she wrote a little note with it too. It's so cute, right? Okay, now to our left, we have, so on this wall, we just have a collection of my friends and my family. And I added a thumbtack so I could put my keys up, because when you don't have somewhere to put your keys, you always lose your keys. So all of these Polaroids go back to middle school. It's the first Polaroid I ever had. And then we have friends, people I met in college, through high school, when I had blonde hair during quarantine. Yaya, LU, Amadou. If you see yourself, comment. But yes, this is just one of the places I have my Polaroids. I had so many, I didn't have space to put them all in one area, so this is one of them. On to the next spot, we have just another table. I have a diffuser, just miscellaneous stuff, Fiji water that I use for my waterfall, my diffusers. But I tried to turn on my waterfall for the video, but I guess it doesn't work anymore. It was $15, so. And then I just added this because I just feel like, you know, you love that. Kisses, Carrie just gave me some room spray, my candles, scorpion, and sage to protect away from all the bad people that might enter my home. Next, over here, we have my clothing rack. I have a collection of hats, just bonnets and stuff that I wear to sleep, my umbrella, just some clothing pieces that I like. I probably gotta change this out because this was for like colder weather and it's getting hot outside. So I'll probably go back to change it to something more fitting. But yes, that's my clothing rack. I felt like I needed something more since our closets are so small. And I also feel like it just adds a pop to the room. So then we have these closets, but we have these slidable closets. I feel like there's a better name for that. So these often get stuck, but this is what our closet looks like. Don't look up there because I kind of just threw stuff up there, but just have a few clothing pieces here. And on the other side are my shoes. Then I have this wall of stuff that I was gonna use for my homework and like syllabuses and stuff, but I never really looked at it, so I took them down. And I replaced it with like letters and stuff because I'm like a hoarder and I like to keep every little thing that comes from anyone. So Valentine's Day cards, birthday cards. Carrie wrote this long heartfelt message that of course I have to cherish. She wrote some things also, like little notes like this I keep, that's up here. And then a note that Ibrahim gave me on my birthday that said, "Thank you for always being yourself." And I just feel like it's so adorable because first of all, you wrote on a sticky note and your handwriting is so adorable. Happy Valentine's Day, another one from Carrie, but this one is from Caleb. And it was a birthday card from freshman year. And then if you look up, I have some more Polaroids that date back even further. This is when I had a little kickback at my house during Christmas. There's Carrie around the time where we like first moved in, October of 2019. People that just took pictures on my Polaroids. Just a whole bunch of just random Polaroids all along the wall. are connected to my Christmas lights. So if you guys follow me to this section here, I have another diffuser. I have my yoga mat, I have my prayer mat, I have my projector. I had it on earlier, but the light was too strong. But it just projects across the room. If I just connect it to my laptop, it's gonna project. I have some candy that I stole from the living room. I have plants, I have candles, a diffuser set, and stress relief from Bath and Body Works, some prayer hands, just little like knickknacks to decorate the table. I have somewhere where I put my makeup, my pink wig, and a neck pillow, and I have Polaroids and some vitamins, and then just some more drawers to store stuff. So here I have a painting that I painted. I think that's the first one I painted when I like first moved in. Because I like to paint. Oh no. The first one I painted this year. And then I just slowly started decorating my room. As you can tell, this is probably like the second decoration I had on the wall. And then I painted this last year. That's when I like really found out that I like painting, really. I found this at Goodwill. So I just kept finding decorations and putting them up. All these leaves in my room are from Hobby Lobby or Amazon, and all the little pieces are from Goodwill, except all the little fake plants that's from like Marshalls, TJ Maxx. So here is like one of my favorite areas. We have a mirror and some leaves behind it. I kind of stole this concept from Awadou just because it was so cute on his wall, but I did want a circular mirror anyways, but I'll end up with like this oval thing. I got this poster from the smoke shop. I have another painting that I made up there, and then another fake painting that I got from Hobby Lobby. Then I have Christmas lights along this wall too, but now they're dead. And then I have some more plants from Amazon, and then the top ones are from Hobby Lobby. It's like a collection of 3 different types of plants up there. Now I have my bed where I have these pillows from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. And I got these pillows from Yaya. She wanted to put them in the living room, and I was like, no, give them to me. And then I have these pillows from, I don't know, home maybe. I just have my laptop here that I connect to my projector. Then I have Pierre. You guys met him in the last video. He looks a little sad once again. And then I have this throw pillow. I don't know if this is what it was meant to be, but when I went home during winter break, I found it in a thrift store, so I decided that it would be a great placement piece on top of my bed. And this is the tank top that I just... Next, we're gonna come to this section. So all of these portraits I got from Goodwill in Atlanta. Then I got this from the same place. All these little pieces just broke off from this plant that came from Marshalls. And then this vase I got from Goodwill in Statesboro. And I just have all the things I moisturize my body with. This. I just put some pictures of myself in. Nail polish, Vaseline, a little lamp, magic lamp, face lamp, Skin Glow Co. Giselle. And up here, I have, this is an Arabic surah that my mom got from her mother. So my mom told me, I asked her if I could put it in my room because I thought it would be great right here. But the way I cherished this and made sure nothing happened to it, because she told me to, you know, protect it because it's such it holds so much weight. I feel like it protects me out here. This was a gift from Sammy. I was down bad during quarantine. I wasn't getting unemployment, everybody else was. So Sammy got me this along with a diffuser that I had. I don't know, like it broke or something. And then this was a crown that I just put on top of it that I wore on Halloween when I was Tinkerbell. So I just used all these little things to decorate my room. And I don't know, I just started putting little piece by piece in my room until it just came together. It's not like I just had this all in mind. I started with the white sheets and then everything else just came together. So next is my bathroom. Okay, so my bathroom is just a bathroom. I didn't really have much plans for it. I have these LED lights that I had last year with my roommate, and she took one and I took the other one. So I decided I was just gonna put it in my bathroom, and they're still lasting. Then I have my black soap, my cotton balls and everything in little vases. And then I have toothpaste, facial wash, my speaker because I like to listen to music in the shower, and its charger. I have another candle, the Woodwick one, because it was green and I thought it would just be a decoration, but I started lighting it and now it's all the way at the bottom. I have another plant. I have greenery in every direction because I just feel like it brings life to my room. So I decided to do this Get Naked shower curtain with that also had greenery in the background. And I just had some towels, and I got this little basket from Marshalls. I'm sorry, I'm talking. And then I have some tissue and napkins for if you need them in the bathroom. And then I have this other mirror, if you guys come in. But I didn't know where to put it, so I just put it on the floor. But it's just like, it's not really part of the decorations, I guess. Then I have another place for Polaroids. This is where most of my Polaroids are, I think. Yeah, just take a look at them. These are all different Polaroids from different occasions. I guess I just started taking pictures of people to remember them by, in case, like, I don't know, 20 years from now, we could talk about the people that we remember from college or life or anywhere. I just like memories and being able to look back at them. There's my mom. And I tried to make people sign their own. So for the ones that are blank, that's probably because they didn't, because I like people's handwriting as well. So remember them by. We have Naeem, Ryan, Gianni, Justice, Brandon, Avion, Amadou, Darylyn, Kalia. If you spot yourself, comment below. And I also got this from Goodwill, and I thought it would look nice somewhere, so I got it. So this was my room tour. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, where I stay or anything, you want to see the entire house, I wanted to show y'all the entire house. My roommate was like, the house not done. And I was like, y'all kind of right. But it's still cute. So if y'all want to see that, comment below. And thanks for watching.